Welcome back to the channel, and today I have a very special car and a very special privilege. This customer has been having this car with us for the last 4 weeks. We did a full body PPF, full ceramic coating treatment in the inside. It's first time I have driven a Rolls-Royce. It is fully electric, which I believe in the Rolls-Royce doesn't really matter what is the powertrain, because it's a car that's mostly for driving and luxury, and the sound is not as important as it will be in other cars. This car has tons of options. The wooden is an option, the special orange. The doors are also orange. The seats have a special orange piping on it that sets it apart. It has the star roof, it has the Spectre screen over there, and in the outside it has such a beautiful green. It's a green that it looks a bit black when it's in the dark, but as soon as the sun hits it, it is such a beautiful green. And it has an orange stripe that it was hand painted all throughout the car. It is a work of art. Now the driving experience so far, we still can hear a little bit of wing noise. You definitely cannot hear any road noise. Feels like you are driving on a cloud because you cannot feel any of the bumps. I'm used to sport cars and I'm used to very hard suspensions that you can feel everything on the road. So this is definitely a little bit of an experience. The road it was like completely smooth. And I definitely know that this road is not completely smooth, because a few weeks ago I had the pleasure to drive a 911 and you can feel everything. It was in the softest setting and you can feel everything. Another feature of this car that is very interesting, it has four-wheel steering. So when you back it up or put it in tight braces, even though the car is pretty big, but because of the all-wheel steering, it does feel like a smaller car. Ergodynamics is perfect. Like the way you see, I can see the front of the car. The mirrors are perfect. Even the graphics here, it shows a Rolls-Royce Spectre. A lot of people ask if there is a space in the front because it's fully electric, and in this car there is no space. It's completely just a sheet that says "Can build in Glenwood, England," and that's it. So there is no space in the front. So no bags in it or anything like that. No storage space in the front. So storage on this car is definitely a premium. I think if you'll be traveling with this car far, you definitely don't have enough space for a lot of luggage. So I would say you'll definitely have to pack light, because maybe you can get a big suitcase and a smaller one, but that's about it. The interior of the car, everything you touch in this car is either metal or wood or some kind of high-end material. One of the things I haven't seen in this car is Alcantara. There is no Alcantara anywhere, which is kind of interesting. It's all leather, and this orange, I don't know if you guys can see it, but in the sun it really stands out. It is tinted all the way around, but we went with a bit of lighter tint just so you can still appreciate the car from the outside, but in the inside of the car you still have some privacy, but it's definitely not dark, which I think is very elegant and very suiting for this type of car. A few facts about Rolls-Royce. It was founded in 1904. Goal at the time was to create the best car in the world by establishing new manufacturing techniques and performance. The most famous cars are the Phantom and the Ghost. Now the Spectre, which is the first fully electric Rolls-Royce, guarantees that the car will be relevant and the brand will be relevant in the future. I can tell you that you can drive this car all day. It just feels, you don't feel anything. It feels so relaxing, which is an experience of its own. All right, guys, this journey has come to an end. This is such a beautiful car. I'm very, very thankful for the owner to let me drive it. It was such an experience. The paint is glowing now in the sun, but every journey comes to an end and we are moving to the next one. So follow us to that journey, subscribe, like, and comment, and let us know what content you like to see. So I'm gonna go and deliver this beautiful car and see you next time.